everyone, today we are going to understand how our ready-made food delivery application Foodonix works. By watching this video, you will be able to understand how customer can order from nearby restaurant and choose variation, pay online, how the driver can accept the order and how the seller can accept the order and how the complete order can be delivered and how the customer can live track the whole order. So if you are looking for a complete food delivery application, then this is the video for you. And after watching this video, you will be able to decide which of our food delivery application you should go for. For more, you can contact your consultant. And now let's understand how a customer can make an order by using the Foodonix application. This is the customer app. Click on it. And you can see this is the main page of the application. You can see all the banners, all the categories, all the popular foods nearby, all the campaigns and all the restaurants. Now you can click on this restaurant and you can see the categories inside it, and you can also filter products by category like this. Now let's click on this plus button to add a product to cart, and now you can see the details of this product. You can see the product name, product price, product description, and you can also increase or decrease the quantity of the product directly from here. You can also choose the add-ons, and you can also increase and decrease the quantity of the add-ons directly from here. You can also see the additional amount that you will need to pay over here. And now click on add to cart. And yeah, our product has been successfully added to cart. Now choose you want to have a home delivery or a takeaway. Right now we are choosing home delivery. And now choose your payment method is cash on delivery or online payment. If you choose cash on delivery, then the delivery man will deliver the order, then he will take the payment. And if you choose online payment, you can pay right now on the platform. Now choose any promo code. If any discount code you have, you can put it over here. Remember, all the discount codes admin can create and the customers can get benefits by getting discount on the order. And now this is our total. You can see the total, you can see the discounts, and you can see the taxes and the delivery fee applied. Remember, the discount, taxes and the delivery fee, these charges are controlled by the admin, and this is our final total. Now click on confirm order. And yeah, that's how you place an order by using the Foodonix application. Now this order will go to the delivery man and he will go for the further processes. Remember, in Foodonix you can completely live track your order by using the customer app of Foodonix. And now let's open the driver app. This is the delivery man app used to accept all the orders. And now here you can see the latest order. Click on accept, and yeah, the driver has successfully accepted your order. Now the driver can see your details like your number, location and other details and your order detail. Now if we go back to the customer app, we can see, and yeah, the order has been confirmed. You can also see the driver assigned, and you can also call him for any queries. The driver can use the direction button to directly see the live location of the store. Now let's open the store manager app. So this is your seller app, and yeah, seller can see there is a new order has been received, and he can accept the order by swiping up the order for cooking. He can see all the details of the order, that what is the product, what is the quantity, what are the add-ons, everything he can see in this order detail. And yeah, that's how the store will accept your order. Now if we see in the driver application, we can see the food is waiting for cook. In the customer app also we can see preparing food status has been updated. Now let's assume the order is ready. So the store will click on ready to deliver, and now the driver can pick up the order from the store and deliver it to the customer. You can see the driver is on the way, and now the driver will deliver the order to the customer. He will click on order delivered, and yeah, your order has been successfully delivered. And that's how a customer makes an order, driver will accept that order, and seller will accept that order, and then the order can be delivered by the driver, and customer can track this whole process by using the Foodonix application. Now the customer can give a review to the food and also to the driver. He can see all his past orders over here, and yeah, that's how Foodonix application works. Now let's discuss about the other features of Foodonix application. In the Foodonix, your customers can pay by different payment gateway available in the application that you can enable from the admin panel. Foodonix supports cash on delivery, Razorpay, SSL Commerce, PayPal, Stripe, Paystack, Sinang, and Flutterwave. You can see all these payment gateways Foodonix support that you can set up from the admin panel itself. In the Foodonix application, the store or the admin can also create add-ons. So for example, there is a product of burger and we want to create an add-on of ketchup pouches. So that can be created easily in the Foodonix application. In the Foodonix application, the admin can control the delivery zones or delivery areas from the admin panel itself. All these banners are controlled by admin. All these categories are controlled by the admin, and all these campaigns also. For more, you can check the video of how Foodonix admin works to understand better. In the Foodonix application, it supports multi-language. So right now it has English and Arabic. We can change the language according to your requirement also. For that, kindly contact your consultant or drop a comment below so our team can help you. You can also connect with us directly by the details available in description. In the Foodonix, when we choose the Arabic language, it automatically supports RTL, so the Arabic can be worked in a better way, like this. You can also search your product directly here. In the Foodonix, you can also add restaurant or product to wish list like this. So you can click on this heart button. So right now, if there is a product that you don't want to purchase but you want to make it in your wish list, so you maybe purchase it later. So that is a functionality available in Foodonix. In the Foodonix, the store can control his opening and closing time. You can see the time over here. So the customer can order between this time only on that store. In the Foodonix application, whenever there is a new order, the order is automatically assigned to the nearby driver available. All the prices and taxes shown in the checkout page are controlled by the admin, like the delivery fee, taxes, discounts, or any other payment options. In the Foodonix application, when you make an order by cash on delivery, and now let's say you want to change the order to online payment, you can do it directly without cancelling your order like this. So that is a very unique feature available in Foodonix, where the user can change the payment method while the order has been already placed. You can always track your order in your order tracking page. You can see order has been placed, order confirmed, preparing food, food on the way and delivered. All these order tracking options. You can also see your old deliver order over here. You can see the order timing, order payment method, products, add-ons, taxes and all the amounts that you paid. You can also review any order. You can directly click on this and you can rate the food and you can also review the delivery man. Foodonix is a complete Flutter application. In the Foodonix application, the user can log in by mobile number and password. User can register by name, email, mobile number and password like this. At the time of registration and login, you can enable or disable the OTP from the admin panel itself. In the Foodonix, it supports Twilio, Nexmo, two-factor and Message 91 for your message API. You can buy any of this message company messages and connect directly from the admin panel itself. Remember, this two-step verification by OTP can be disabled or enabled by the admin panel itself. In the Foodonix, you can also receive OTP at the time of forget password. For that also, you must have message plan of one of these. Foodonix is a complete food delivery multi-vendor application combo. In this combo, you are getting a complete website and app combo. If you are buying Android combo, then you are getting website, customer Android app, driver Android app, seller Android app, admin panel, complete source code and 1 year free technical support. If you are buying Android and iOS combo, then you are getting website, Android customer app, Android seller app, Android driver app, iOS customer app, iOS seller app, iOS driver app and complete 1 year free technical support with complete source codes. For more, you can contact your consultant by the details available in description. If you are looking for a complete multi-vendor food delivery application like Zomato, Swiggy and Foodpanda, then this is the best solution for you. For more, kindly connect us directly by details available in description or comment below so our team can help you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.